Hello there, we have reached the greenest of valleys, the lush of the flora and fauna, and perhaps the greenest state in India. Where else but Kashmir? And where we are right now is about 5 kilometers away from the LOC. That side of the Pir Panjal hill range of the Himalayas is Pakistan, and this side we are about 8 kilometers above Gulmarg. What you're seeing in this frame is the beautiful stretch of fir trees, which is very unique to Kashmir's woods. This, a huge treasure, not just for flora and fauna and the beautiful looking trees which come in use for several usages of wood, but also for its medicinal qualities. A chemist called Kashmir in the making. Thankfully, pharmaceutical companies, because of strict policies, have not managed to exploit the region as well. But is Kashmir treating its medicinal herbs enough, as much as it should be? The springs of Kashmir are known to be so good to drink that it flows through the medicinal herbs, and if you drink that, they say all your ailments are gone. But is the spring, or are the springs of Kashmir as rich in minerals as they used to be due to different climatic changes?
The nomads are getting ready to go downhill since the unbearable winter will be here soon. Only the nomads and horses can trek such high altitude forests atop Gulmarg in Kashmir. This stretch of forest along the Pir Panjal mountain ranges of the Great Himalayas is a treasure of medicinal plants. There is a ban on the felling of chinar trees, which form the identity in Kashmir. But there are several other plants that grow abundantly and only in Kashmir. This is Taxus wallichiana. It has been proven the tree's oil can help treat cancer.
This tree is locally known as pastul. It has been proven that the bark and the leaves of this plant yields an oil called the Taxol.
Yes.
Which is being treated as anti-cancer drug.
Of the nearly 50% of forest cover in the entire state, only 21% of forests are left in the state, and this includes the relatively better Ladakh region.
जंगल के साथ जो रहते हैं वो भी उसके रखवाली करते हैं. उन्होंने भी ये बेड़ा उठाया है कि हमने किसी भी हालत में जंगल बचाना है.
The value of these herbs, according to experts, is worth crores of rupees in the international market. Even as smuggling of these resources after deforestation is taking place, the Forest Department has opened up several nurseries to grow the endangered plants again.
The valleys in Kashmir are not just beautiful to look at, but as you move towards the hillside, it gets incredibly fragrant. This is a plant that's unique only to Kashmir. It's called Rasamusa in the local language. And this one in Kashmiri language is called Isband, which can give a run to any of these international perfume brands. The fragrance is not just soothing, but it also helps soothe cuts and wounds. Well, I'm going back with a lot of Isband for my home. We continue our journey on NDTV Toyota's Keep the Hills Alive special campaign. You keep watching us and keep watching NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.